나 너랑 놀러 가고 싶어.
나 차고 싶은데.
지금이야.
지금? 안 돼, 아니야.
가자.
그래. Welcome to the 괜찮은 병원. And this is where, remember the corridor where she was fighting with the woman? And she's like, "You're not my mom." Yeah, that was here. So it seems like the restaurant, the 식당 and the... I don't think it was here. I think they just put it here to like, for space or something. Who knows? So right now we're, we're inside the cafe. And before you can, well, maybe because we were tired, we decided to, have some drinks first. And something to eat, because it's a 3-hour drive. It was a 3-hour drive just to come to this cafe, to come to this site. Looking all gorgeous. And we're right now inside, like, I don't know which part of the cafe the drama took place in. I only know the outside spots because they're very obvious and they still have the logo on it, but the inside spots are really like hard to figure out because they all look the same to me, honestly. They're playing the drama over there, and like, my guess, like, this might have been like the restaurant, like the 식당, the cafeteria. That's just my guess. This was the place where the patients used to come out, hang out. Remember when he ran down these stairs to meet her, waiting for him when he was suspended? Oh my god, I nearly fell down. It's not as easy to run. Look at the beach over there. Oh my god, this is so amazing. I'm wearing heels. That's why it's so crooked. I'm in my bougiest outfit today. Wanted to also go to the beach because today is a weekday. But look at the many people. Look at the amount of people on the beach on a weekday. And how many people will be there on a weekend? This is so crazy. And the sun is like unbearable because like Korean heat wave has started. Yeah, it's hot. So we're gonna leave here now. This place is so far from Seoul, but it is worth it though. So till the next location. 안녕. Whoa, that is also, I didn't notice that when we were coming. This is where, you guys don't understand. It's so hot. But we're still taking pictures. Okay. I'll just take a screenshot of this later. Screenshot. Where are my glasses? And with that, let's say goodbye to 괜찮은 병원. Bye. Bye. Oh, there's someone. I thought someone was taking my picture.